Hi lovely people. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple ways to make your Samsung phone faster by changing some storage settings. I'll also be sharing a few helpful tips, so make sure you watch the video till the end. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. First, make sure your SD card is inserted in your phone and has enough free space. Now, go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Choose any app you want to move. Let's use Facebook as an example. Press on Facebook, scroll down, and select Storage. Here you'll see an option called Storage Used, and right below that, there will be a Change button. Press it. This will bring up the option to change the storage location. Changing the storage location means you can choose where your files like photos, videos, or apps are saved, either to internal storage or your SD card if it's available. Select SD card. Now the exporting process will begin. Don't remove the SD card during this process. At the bottom, press on Move. This will transfer the app's data to the SD card. So that's how you can transfer apps to the SD card. Now, let's learn how to move files as well. Open the My Files or File Manager app on your Samsung phone. My Files is a file manager app where you can browse, open, move, or delete your documents, images, videos, and other downloads. Once inside, you'll see two options. Internal storage. This is your phone's built-in memory, where apps and data are stored. SD card. A removable memory card you can use to save apps, videos, photos, etc. to free up space. First, go to internal storage. Then find and tap on the Downloads folder or any folder with large files. Now select any files like images, videos, or music you want to move. Press Move. Then go back to the My Files home screen. Now select SD card and choose the folder where you want to move the files. Press Move here. By moving big files, whether apps, videos, or images, to the SD card, you can save a lot of internal storage space, which helps speed up your phone. Now here's a bonus tip to help your phone perform even better. Go to Phone Settings. Scroll down and tap on Battery and Device Care. Then press on Storage. Scroll down and you'll see an option called Recycle Bin. The Recycle Bin is where deleted files are stored temporarily before they're permanently deleted. You can restore or erase files from here. Now go ahead and permanently delete those files in the Recycle Bin. This helps your phone run more smoothly. If you're facing any similar issues, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.